What if I could show you how to get ChatGPT Pro for free, plus access to 20 other premium AI models without paying a single subscription fee? This secret method is working for thousands of people right now, and I'm about to reveal everything. I've discovered a legitimate platform that gives you free access to over 500 premium AI models, and I'm walking you through the exact process step by step. This game-changing platform is called Yup.ai, an all-in-one AI hub that gives you access to ChatGPT Pro, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude Opus, Grok 4, and hundreds of other premium models completely free. Here's how to get started. Open your browser and search for Yup.ai. Click the first link that appears. As you can see, you get access to all the latest AI models in one centralized platform. Sign up with your Google account. No need for disposable emails since this is a legitimate funded platform. Once you're inside, let's test the platform with a tricky question. What's the color of a mirror? Hit send, and within seconds, we get responses from multiple premium models, GPT 4.1 Mini and Claude Sonnet 4 running simultaneously. Both models correctly answered that mirrors don't have color, but Claude Sonnet 4 provided more precise scientific detail with better explanation. This is where the magic happens. I'll vote for Claude's response. Here's the key to unlimited free access. For each AI response, you provide feedback that helps improve the platform. When I click I prefer Claude Sonnet 4 and explain why it was superior, then submit my feedback, I instantly earn 5,000 free credits just by scratching this reward card. Now click Take Me to Homepage to unlock all premium models. If you're asked to complete your profile, do it quickly and click Get Started. Congratulations, you've just unlocked access to every premium AI model available. This is mind-blowing. When you click Choose Model, you see the complete arsenal under Pro, Max, Reasoning, and Image categories. We're talking about all GPT Pro versions, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Grok 4, Flux 1.1, Pro Ultra, DeepSeek, Perplexity, Minimax, Ideogram, and dozens more, all free in one platform. The best part? You can run multiple models simultaneously and compare their responses. I'm selecting GPT 4.1 Mini and Gemini 2.5 Pro to create a YouTube script about weight loss. Pro tip that saves you tons of credits. Switch from private to public mode and your credit cost drops by 50%. Now only 25 credits per query instead of 50. This single setting makes your credits last twice as long. Here are our results. ChatGPT delivered a precise, well-structured outline, while Gemini 2.5 Pro provided a complete, production-ready script with optimized video title, full description with timestamps, relevant hashtags, and even the legal disclaimer that ChatGPT missed. Gemini 2.5 Pro clearly wins. It delivered everything we needed in one comprehensive response. By submitting this detailed feedback, I earn more reward credits, which is your key to unlimited premium access. Let's test image generation capabilities. I'll create a new chat, select image models, choosing Flux 1.1 Pro and GPT Image 1. My prompt, close-up of a beautiful woman in cowboy attire, riding a donkey, facing camera, cinematic lighting. Remember to switch to public mode for half-price credits. Results. Flux 1.1 Pro is lightning fast, but the realism isn't quite there. You can tell it's AI generated. GPT Image 1 took longer but delivered cinematic quality with perfect 9:16 aspect ratio ideal for YouTube, Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. GPT Image 1 wins this round. This platform is absolutely revolutionary for anyone who needs premium AI tools without multiple expensive subscriptions. You get hundreds of premium models, earn credits through helpful feedback, and can even monetize your usage. If this video just saved you hundreds of dollars in AI subscriptions, smash that like button right now and subscribe for more game-changing AI tutorials. Drop a comment below telling me which premium AI model you're most excited to try. I personally read and respond to every comment. Don't miss my complete playlist on free AI tools that's helped thousands of creators. It's linked right here. Hit that notification bell so you never miss these money-saving discoveries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.